couple tips on the Thompson Center TCR22. Two things that I have heard about it. One being sometimes it's hard to get the magazine out of the rifle when empty. The other one is some people are claiming that how difficult it is to load the magazine itself. Well, I'm shooting this all summer long. Couple tips for you on those two topics and remedies. If you were to release the magazine and just press on the button and it does not release the mag, see how it kind of catches there a little bit? Just take your index finger and put pressure on the left side of it towards the side of the rifle, then it just simply falls right out. And then as far as it goes for the loading of the magazine itself, take it apart if it's difficult, and more than likely it has more than 3 revolutions of tension on the rotary mag spring itself. By taking it apart and disassembling it, reassembling it per the instructions that Thompson Center has on YouTube and putting the 3 revolutions on there, then you will not have any difficulty loading all 10 rounds in the magazine. This particular one here was an extra one and it did that. So of course I took it apart, put the 3 revolutions back in it, and loads all 10 rounds just fine now.